morning, children. Let's start our second term now. We have completed our first term and you all have done very well in your first term assessment 1. Okay, I'm very happy with it. Okay, now let's start the second term first lesson, that is the nervous system and sense organ. Okay, now our first lesson is nervous system and sense organs. There are many systems that work in the human body. There are many systems in our body: digestive system, nervous system, and what else? Respiratory system, circulatory system. Many systems are there. Okay, but all the systems, are they working by themselves? Is anyone controlling it? Yes, someone is controlling it. Like how someone will control us, like a teacher in the class will control, or the monitor, or the class leader will control. Okay, like that only. Here, the nervous system is controlling all the other systems. Okay. Now, what are the nervous system? Nervous systems are nothing but a brain and spinal cord and the different nerves. Okay. That is a nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Okay. Now, which controls all the other organs. That is, a nervous system controls all the other organs. It not only controls all the other organs, it also enables the 5 sense organs. 5 senses, that is eyes, ears, nose, skin, okay, and tongue to work properly. Okay. So the nervous system consists of brain and the spinal cord and the nerves. The system comprises of brain and the spinal cord is called this brain and the spinal cord is called a central nervous system. Okay. And the system which comprises of only nerves running throughout the body is called the peripheral nervous system. Okay. Nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. What is central nervous system? Brain and the spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, all the nerves from the brain and the spinal cord moving to the different organs. Okay. This is what is a peripheral nervous system. Let us see in detail. The center of the nervous system is the brain. Brain is very, very important. It is in a center of the nervous system. Okay. Through the network of nerves, the brain communicates. The brain communicates through these nerves to all parts of the body. Okay. So from all the parts of the body, it receives the messages and it sends command to all parts of the body. Okay, that is why brain is called a master's organ. Okay. Now, the nerves from the neck and the head region are directly connected to the brain. Okay. Whereas the nerves from all other parts of the body are first connected to the spinal cord and spinal cord in turn connect to the brain. Okay. Now, what are nerves? Nerves are bundle of thin thread-like structures. Okay. Thin thread-like fibers. A nerve cell is called a neuron. Okay. Thousands of such nerves put together. Okay. Nerve cells together form one nerve. Thousands of nerve cells, thread-like structures put together form one nerve. So like that, thousands of nerves are running in our body. Okay. Now, there are 3 types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. What are sensory nerves? By name itself we will know. Sensory nerves are the nerves that connect the sense organs to the brain. Okay. The nerves which connect from the sense organ to the brain are the sensory nerves. Now, what are the motor nerves? Motor nerves are the nerves that carry commands or signal from the brain to different parts of the body, to different glands. Now, coming to the mixed nerve. By mixed nerve, we will know that it is a combination of, in mixed nerve, there are sensory nerves and also motor nerves. Okay. Mixed nerves are the nerves that are both of motor as well as sensory in function. They carry messages to the central nervous system and bring back the command. Both the work it will do. It carry the message and bring back the messages. Okay. So this is what is our brain and the nerves. Okay. Now let us once again we will revise. There are many systems working in our body. Okay. So the main system which is controlling all this system is a nervous system. Nervous system consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous. Central nervous system is the brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system are the nerves running in our body. Nerves are of three types. Okay. Now brain is called master organ because it is sending the messages, it is receiving the message and sending the commands to different parts of the body. Now there are three types of nerves: sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. Sensory nerves are the nerves which are from the sensory organs to the brain. The nerves connecting from sensory organs to the brain are sensory nerves. Motor nerves are the nerves that carry command or signal from the brain or the spinal cords to the various organs of the body. Mixed nerves, they carry the signals to the brain and they send back the messages, carry the messages and bring back the command. Both the functions they will do. Okay. You read this page number 1 and 2. I will send you the hard words. Start writing in the notebook. Then we'll continue the next part of the lesson in our next video. Thank you, children.